You know, we cover our ori during offerings for a deep reason. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, àbọ̀rọ̀ àbọ̀yè àbọ̀ ṣíṣe o. Today I want to talk about the reason why we cover our ori during offerings. We need to know that our ori is not just any part of us. It is the greatest orisha. It is the king within us, the one who wears the crown of destiny. So when we tie our gele or wear our fila, we are not just dressing. We are honoring our ori as the royal being it is. You know, just as a king crown sits upon his head, our covering represents that sacred crown. And if you take a look at the Ilori, if you look at the structure of Ilori, you will see that the crown is on top while the Orinu, the inner head, is inside. This shows why we must not open our Ori while making offerings. It deserves the honor, the covering. Of course, not everyone does it this way. Some lineage have their different understanding, and that's perfectly fine. But let me ask you, do you cover your ori when making offering in your lineage or not?